guys, what's up? It's me, Huri Ambuata. Welcome back to my channel and welcome.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Huri Ambuata. Welcome again to another vlog and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be showing all the things that I've got from Watsons, and it's probably for this month's consumption. Most of these are the products that I'm using for a long time na, and some random products na nakita ako from the store, and a few products that I wanted to try out. So if you guys wanna see all the things that I've got from this haul, please keep on watching. We all know, and surely you would agree, that Watsons is a one-stop shop for most of us, especially as girls, for our personal care from head to foot, even medicines and vitamins. You are likely to shop here. And you know what I like about Watsons is that you can really save time and energy, as everything you need for a total body wellness is indeed available at one stop. Convenience at its finest, ika nga mga madam. Ganon. Actually, this haul is probably for this month's consumption na. So, eto siya. Medyo madami-dami na. Because you know, once a month lang ako napupunta ng Watsons. Once a month lang kami nag-visit ng Watsons. Also, disclaimer lang ha, these are not sponsored. Pero syempre, I'm open with the idea. So, if you'd like to be one of my sponsor, feel free to message me anytime through my social media accounts or email, and I'd be definitely happy with that. So, let's start off this haul with this Lux Organic Lemon Melt Away Cleansing Balm. Bali, may two variants siya, the rose and this lemon. Ito yung kinuha ko. Yung rose is color pink. And this product claims that it can melt away waterproof makeup, deeply cleanse away impurities, and leave your skin supple and hydrated. And this cleansing balm also contains lemon extract for rich hydration and won't clog your pores. Aside from the bentonite clay mask that I'm using, I also got this brightening lemon and mint clay mask from Beauty Dose. This is made with lemon and mint extract, paraben-free, and with natural exfoliating ingredients. And what I really like about this product is that pag in-apply mo siya sa face mo and you leave it for 10 minutes, and even before 1 minute, wala pang sobrang minty niya sa face and super refreshing niya sa face. Actually, this product claims that it refines your pores and lighten your dark spots. So, try niyo siya guys. Maganda. Then, kumuha ulit ako nitong Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Minimizer. Actually, if you have watched my previous vlog, na-mention ko na siya, and ito talaga yung ginagamit ko as makeup base or primer. Actually guys, this is a translucent gel that melts on the skin and instantly fill your pores, imperfections, fine lines, and creases. I also got this tube bar soap from Diamond. It's the orange peel and L-glutathione for the face and body. Actually, this bar soap is na-discover ko lang from my college classmate. Hi, Ja! Ginagamit ko na siya. Bali, actually, perfect siya. Lalo na pag may pimples kayo, na-dry out nyo yung pimples nyo. And this is perfect for those who have acne-prone skin, and also it lightens your dark spots. Also, this is from Diamond, and it's advanced whitening lotion with orange peel and L-glutathione with SPF 15. Bali guys, if you're going to use this, you put just a little amount and spread it widely, and it can be easily absorbed by the skin. Pero wag na wag kayong maglalagay ng madami kasi magmumukha kayong mumu. Medyo maputi siya, pero yun nga, ang maganda naman sa kanya is na-absorb din naman siya ng skin agad. And medyo mahirap lang siya i-blend. And funny thing, minsan pag nag-Watsons kami, medyo nagmamadali, kaya minsan nagbe-base sa packaging, di ba? Parang akala mo yun na yun, pero minsan hindi pala. So, yun. I've mistakenly got this one thinking that it's the COSRX Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser. Pero, hindi siya yun. This is the Lux Organic AHA BHA Miracle Solutions Cleanser with salicylic acid, tea tree extract, and glycolic acid. Bale, this is perfect for deep cleansing, removes skin dullness, reveals brighter skin. Almost parang same kasi siya ng packaging. White din kasi yun. Pero okay lang kasi na-try ko na din siya once and maganda naman sa skin ko. Hindi naman ako nag-breakout or what. And this one is non-drying talaga siya and perfect din siya for all skin types. Kahit yung mga acne-prone skin, okay to kasi nare-reduce niya yung mga bumps, blackheads, ganun. Maganda siya. And then, I've got this eyeliner and blush on from Careline. This one is an uncontrolled blush on enriched with vitamin E. This one's in the shade Starlight Shine. Actually, nakatry na ako ng ibang shade, which is the Berry Pop. And it's very pigmented. If you wanted to have that subtle look, apply lightly lang. Just add more color depending on your desired intensity. If you wanted to have that putok na blush and then add more color. Pero super pigmented talaga siya. Konting lang, halata na siya. And then, this one naman is the Graph Ink Liner. Actually, nakita ko lang siya from a YouTuber and claiming that this is perfect for beginner like me. Actually, gusto ko lang i-try and gusto kong matutong mag-eyeliner. Kaya yun, kinuha ko siya. Bale, napakuha ulit ako ng Bella Tinted Sunscreen. And as I've mentioned from my previous vlog, sabi ko, I'm not really the foundation type of person. Either BB, CC, or tinted moisturizer lang ginagamit ko. But this one is great since tinted sunscreen na siya. May protection ka na from harmful UVA and UVB rays aside from giving you a slight coverage. And this one is non-greasy and perfect for dry season compared to my Snail White CC cream. Medyo dewy yung finish niya. And this one, you can use this under your favorite foundation or you can just use powder alone. I also got something for my lips and this is the Carmex Strawberry Moisturizing Lip Balm for long-lasting relief for dry chapped lips. And great thing about this product, it has SPF 15 na siya. So, yun. Meron din ako dito Tomato Glass Skin Fresh Skin Love Makeup Remover Wipes. Actually, 2 packs na siya and each pack contains 15 pieces of wipes. Okay na siya. Then lately, medyo napapansin ko nag-dry out na naman yung face ko. So sabi ko, why not switch again to my old facial wash? So yun, kumuha ulit ako nitong Hada Labo Super Hyaluronic Acid Hydra and Whitening Face Wash. Actually, it's perfect for normal and dry skin. And this one is a Japan product and we all know naman, and personally speaking, when you talk about Japan products, it's of best quality. Actually guys, meron pa akong Japan products na ginagamit which really moisturizes my skin and it's really my favorite. It's the Hada Labo Gokujin Skin Hydrating Lotion. Try nyo yun guys. Sobrang ganda niya sa face. Ginagamit ko lang siya mostly during nighttime along with my toner from Thayers. Mga pangtamarang skincare routine ko. 2-step skincare routine lang but it delivers great results. And when you wake up in the morning, super ganda ng skin mo. Super hydrated. I also use facial mask every once or twice a week. So, yan guys. I have 4 different types of masks here. 2 from Garnier. 1 from Pure Derm, St. Ives, and this one is from Fresh Skin Love. Garnier Black Serum Mask Pure Charcoal is for purifying and hydrating pore tightening tissue mask. Actually, after using this mask, you can obviously notice that your pores are visibly minimized and your skin feels refreshed and hydrated, looking clearer and healthier. Sobrang refreshing niya sa face after you use it. And by the way, I leave it on my face for about 15 minutes. This one is a good mask. And for an intense hydration, rejuvenation, and pore tightening for an extra glowing skin, use this Jejo Aloe Ice Facial Sheet Mask. This one is cooling facial sheet mask from Fresh Skin Love. Then ito, first time ko lang din siya itatry. This one is from Pure Derm Charcoal Collagen Mask. Easy and effective skin purifying and pore refining treatment formulated with charcoal extract, collagen, and vitamin E. Perfect for pore minimizing, refreshing, and purifying. And this one naman is from St. Ives Sheet Mask Apricot. It revives your skin for a fresh glow. Actually, ito, na-try ko na siya. It really leaves my skin super refreshed, glowing, and hydrated. I love this mask. And then guys, I also wanted to share with you my favorite body wash. This is from Namulife. This is the Snail White Cream Body Wash in Natural White Caviar Lime. This one's improves skin brightening and reveal naturally illuminated skin. Actually, this body wash is not for skin whitening. It only reveals the skin natural glow, and yung scent niya is super mild lang and rich foamy lather. You can just spread evenly sa katawan mo. Medyo runny yung formula niya. Hindi naman masyado, konti lang. Kahit isang pump lang or konting pump lang, okay na siya since foamy and rich lather nga siya. And I've noticed na pag ito yung ginamit kong body wash, mapapansin ko na kahit pag pinagpawisan ka, hindi ka masyadong nangangamoy pawis. Kahit yung scent niya is super mild lang, parang ganun. Hindi ko alam kung anong meron, pero ganun yung napapansin ko sa kanya pag ito yung ginamit kong sabon. Maybe because isa sa mga ingredients niya is for antibacteria. Actually, nakalagay naman dito sa likod niya is help protect skin from bacteria aside from revealing the skin's natural glow. And dito sa front niya, mapapansin mo, may sticker na nakatakip and nababasa naman siya, antibacterial nakalagay. Siguro, that's the reason behind that. And another random thing na nakuha namin from Watson is this Cool Fever Extra Cool Beat the Heat. Actually, hindi ako kumuha nito, yung Watson's partner ko. Pero feeling ko, akong gagamit nito kasi lately, parang laging masakit ang ulo ko, laging mainit ang dugo ko. Alam niyo na, parang perfect siya pang cool down. And then guys, I've been looking for a look of my favorite lotion that I previously used, which is the Ruskin Skin Whitening. If you're familiar with it or not, basta maganda siya guys. Actually, ilang beses na akong pabalik-balik dun sa SM. Sa SM department store mo siya makukuha. Bali, sabi nila out of stock pa din and wala pang delivery. Siguro dahil sa lockdown yun, kaya ganun, walang stock. Meron pa namang ibang products from Ruskin dun, pero hindi siya yung skin whitening na ginagamit ko. Actually, I'm not after for skin whitening. What I really like about the product is that it really leaves my skin so smooth and parang baby skin siya. And ang ganda niya, hindi siya sticky, non-greasy lang siya, and ang ganda ng formula niya. It can easily absorb by my skin and perfect talaga siya for my skin since super dry ang skin ko. So, kaka-Watsons ko, I landed on this one. This is the Lander Advanced Skincare Whitening Body Lotion. And almost the same yung effect niya on my skin. Same nung sa ginagamit ko, which is the Ruskin Skin Whitening nga. Bali, yung first try ko nito is maliit lang. Then, nagustuhan ko. So, ito, kumuha na ako nitong 1 liter na siya. So, formula niya is almost the same lang, non-greasy, and sobrang sarap niya i-apply sa katawan after taking a bath, and non-sticky, non-greasy, walang sticky feeling katulad ng ibang lotion, diba, na medyo matagal ma-absorb ng skin. Super lightweight niya lang. And guys, kung hindi nyo na itatanong, mahilig ako sa body wash. So, yeah. Meron din tayong body wash dito. I've got this St. Ives body wash in 2 variants. This one is pink lemon and mandarin orange exfoliating body wash, and this one naman is acai blueberry and chia seed oil body wash. This one, ito talaga yung pinakauna kong nagamit. This one is a citrusy body wash for a fresh and glowing skin, and yung exfoliating beads niya is super gentle that it polishes away dryness, leaving your skin so smooth, fresh, and clean. Kaya nagustuhan ko siya, kaya nga ito, nakuha ko to. Kinuha ko din siya since sabi ko, maganda tong isang na-try ko. This one naman is for a healthy looking skin. And what I like about this too is that super mild niya and paraben free. Kahit yung mga buntis pa din gumamit nito. And guys, yung mga tipong nagmamadali na tayo umalis, and then minsan diba nakalimutan natin mag-toothbrush. So I've got this one, this Watson's Mint breath strips for emergency purposes. Bali, this one is sugar-free lang siya, guys, and gagawin mo is just remove 1 strip from this, and then ilagay mo lang siya sa tang mo, and automatically nagbe-melt na lang siya, and then tada! Fresh na! So, yun lang guys. That's it for my Watson's haul. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a
another one.
So, yun guys. That's it for my Watson's haul. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button. Bye! Thank you!